What's the level, what's the life, what's the level, what's the life? Back again with another video, back again with another episode of Let's Chat About It. I go by the name The Real Mats and I'm here with...
Let's go, what more guys, double father, LFA, the get to the hour, figure, 1 hour, tango, feel
back, we're back, spirit. I'd like to start World Cup, FIFA World Cup is here.
Kinama Kemblayo, Mina, I'm an honest person, Ghana. Mpejile, Guti. Is the tropa in the episode?
Tuesday.
Okay. Bafana is a draw. Yeah, it's a draw.
Okay, we'll see when this episode comes out.
Yeah.
You'll see.
Bafana is a draw. Mexico.
I think Mexico is a win.
Yeah. Okay, Bafana is a liwa. Mpejile lose. Bafana lose. Then Sobona. But I would just negative.
Nah, there's being negative, there's being realistic.
Yeah, we are realistic.
Like we are proud because they made it to the World Cup, but they won't.
They won't make it. They won't make it.
Yeah, what's on your check?
What's on my check? Uno by Maraza.
Yeah.
Maraza jam. You remember when I was telling you about the substance when I'm listening to an album? I can say after Danya. After Ibayete, Maraza might have the best album after Ibayete on my side. I'm told this year, yeah.
And he's being slept on.
Fana, you. I think I listened the first disc because no matter.
Yeah, there's being slept on. Then there's niggas ignoring you because they see you that you're a threat.
There's two. Maraza.
With Maraza.
Maraza is shooting at something, Maraza.
Yeah, but I'm saying...
Maraza is a full-on musician.
He's a full-on. That's why other artists get intimidated.
Yeah.
That's why you never see many artists featuring Maraza. You'd see Maraza featuring an artist, but you can never see...
They don't reciprocate.
That's what I'm saying. They're not sleeping on... I've realized this. I'm like, it's not like Gucci, the industry is sleeping on Maraza. Actually, the industry is scared of Maraza.
Yeah.
They're intimidated of what he might become. That guy is a full-on star. That guy makes beats, full production. His music videos, songs are fire, sings, everything. Name one thing Maraza ngakwazi ukuyenza. Uyacula futhi.
I listened to that album. Bengibuya Spanish. Then I was like, let me stream this.
Yeah, I should tap in.
I should tap in because last time I listened to Maraza, album it wasn't an album. When you track my visa is 6.
Yeah.
The Pick and Pay, you know that this track about this Pick and Pay. After this, there was an incident that happened years ago. Maraza, I think he bought 10k groceries at Pick and Pay. Then security, some suspecting at the groceries. Then on the next day, he dropped that diss track titled Pick and Pay the price. Yo.
Damn, I should check it out.
You should check it out. But album Uno, one of the best. After I buy it, got Tanya Devs. That's my opinion, guys. That's my opinion.
On my chat, I would like to give a shout out to the Rap Academy by Abu Zeus and them. Shout out to them, man. I feel like the industry is not appreciating what they're doing. Instead, there's negative comments. I think they're really uplifting the youth. Like, if there's one camp that's uplifting the youth, E-Rap Academy, like, what they are doing with youngsters, bro, it's really amazing to see. It's like they open their own hub, whereby all these young artists, like, if you are dope, you can come, record. There's also, you can do a photo shoot there. Like, it's opened for everyone. And I think they got that thing, or that idea, if I'm not mistaken, from Urikirik. Because they once worked or under Urikirik. And I think they're still pushing that thing. We're doing this for the kids. And I would like to see, I know I always say this, I would like to see hip-hop artists doing that. I'd like to see Casper Nyovest opening his own hub, where he's helping kids to come and record. And also, these days, signing an artist doesn't help. But creating a platform for them. Yeah, you understand?
Like OMT, I don't like the idea. We are coming on that episode with the sign an artist.
Yeah. So we all, this mindset of to help an artist, you need to sign that artist. Now, we should leave it in the past. Right now, just create a platform, bro. Like, you're an OG, you've been there, done that, got the t-shirt, you made history. No
But
one will
what do you
erase that
think? Sorry to
history.
cut you off.
So
Sorry to cut you off. What do you think? What do you think? Casper in your verse is no longer putting niggas on. Do you think Ticho fucked him up? Because you remember that rant that Ticho who switched up on him or Kuloma Sim. But do you think that's the reason why Casper doesn't put any young niggas on?
I think maybe it's because of financial decisions, because they always say it cost.
Yeah, it costs a lot.
Because whenever, respectfully, there's no not even hip hop. There's no artist that was put on by Casper Nyovest. When Casper Nyovest signed, Utejo was already popping. When Casper Nyovest signed Nadia Nakai was already popping. Casper Nyovest never brought, and I'm not saying I'm bashing him. I'm just putting it as a context. Which Casper Nyovest has not signed an unknown artist for Mekasi. Like zero for like
Zero
you see
to
what
hero
Ambitious
type of
did.
shit. Yeah.
Ngabo MT, ngabo in.
But MT wasn't coming from the bottom. Don't know, MT was coming from E4 front. He was a group Gamaraza.
Oh, I remember that situation.
Yeah, I got a Puma with group. No. MT is not coming from the bottom because I've checked them. I've been following about Maraza from back then. We forefront, so that's how I know MT. Man.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Like, as an OG, bro, open a platform.
Yeah, like what
for
KO
kids
did for Loki, ne?
Yeah, like
I didn't know Loki.
Did abo Loki, abo Roy.
Yeah,
and you know how
even Roy, I didn't
KO signed those artists through Twitter. He said, "I'm an artist. They should send links under that tweet." That's how he got them. And he said, I think. And he said, Loki or Loki, whatever. I'm a music video wake. We are figuring 100 views.
Just imagine.
So that's helping an artist. Like, you're not like going to we say okay, in emotion and saying right emotion. So that's what I'm saying. Like, as an OG,
and
what you need to do that.
A pass via the tracky section.
But also you don't have to be on the song. That's what I'm trying to say. These days, helping an artist step back, open a platform, you'll benefit by that platform. You don't have to be like like just do that thing behind the scenes and so on. And with hip hop niggas, it's really scarce.
Hip hop jam, like now got this rap. What I can say is full of egos. I'm told I'm better. It is very competitive. I'm told. So when currently on the ground, who do you think have motion?
Hip hop, like artist.
Uzi and La Cabra on the ground, like
Uzi or La Cabra. I think Usmaman. You know what I'm saying?
On the streets, Baba. On the streets is Uzi.
Yeah, I think so. You know why I'm saying I think so? I think Ula Cabra, ne? I'm a big fan of Ula Cabra, ne? But I think he's still like he hasn't like landed like fully like
Uvalo check type
like
of
Uvalo check like Usmaman already made a name for himself.
But on the street now, I feel like I'm not a fan of Ula Cabra. When it's come to Amatwelas, I go with lo-fi.
Lo-fi.
Lo-fi. I go with lo-fi. But I think La Cabra has his own.
But then also you saw that track, La Pisa. You saw what I'm trying to say, English on that song, La Pisa. It goes back to what I was saying. Amakwelas. They should sound more African right now. Like, they are dope when they're rapping in English, but when they touch on that Venek bag,
I see.
Bro,
do you
they
think
don't mean
this track has motion, Baba?
This song has motion.
It has motion,
because it's like Mang Mameli La Pisa, it's like Mameli. It's like
hip hop, dog.
Yeah, I get that feeling. With, okay, now to listen to a Zulu song, I don't have to listen to a Maskandi. Now I have a hip hop jam. That I can jam. The full on Zulu attire. That's what I get from that song. Like, we finally have that hip hop song that oh damn, it's a Zulu song.
Damn.
Cultural.
So, what do you think? Okay, my question is, how do the OGs feel when they see my youngins Dwana having this motion? Do you think Bane jealous? Like the OGs?
You know, my only problem with OGs, I think they are too entitled. The OGs feel like if you don't consult to them, first. Then you pop. Or even if you consult to another OG. This other OG feels like
doesn't get along
why this kid didn't come to me, so I'm not a fan of this kid. This kid should come to me, and you can't go knocking at all OG's doors and say you'll have that one OG that you feel like this OG understands me in you will stick to that OG, but those other OGs will start now feeling like why he's not seeking approval to us.
The same situation as like I think they go to Java.
Yeah.
They go to other.
Yeah, and other OGs now they will feel like okay, it's a problem.
But the politics in the industry now, no more politics. Wow.
Then also let's touch on MT.
Ish.
The situation with MT. Do you think it will bring out the beast in him?
Obvious. He's going through shit, and ish. We can't pick a side because we don't know both sides of the story. Yeah. And there are about two again. So, I want the music. They want about two.
Yeah, but MT is a dope artist.
It's dope. MT, but I think now he's gonna go to his old bag. Young tall.
Because people would say we always touching on hip hop. I want to touch on Maskandi. Maskandi artist. I love the music. It's on fire. We need music videos. Like, bro, we need music videos. Like, Ingoma Maskandi, they are fire. Like, they are fire. And
what's your favorite song on Maskandi? Corner? No.
I don't know the name of the song, but it's like, it's I don't know. Yeah, those songs are fire. Bro, we need music videos. Like, we need like music videos of those songs. Like, whenever we listen to those songs, we picture with a music videos of a song scene.
I've noticed about this Maskandi and Ton. They don't capitalize in say viral.
Yeah.
But they are proud of my audio on YouTube hit 1 million views.
And they
don't capitalize.
They focus on YouTube pen. They don't focus on other
streams,
YouTube.
you see. Other platforms. Yeah, that's a bad thing about Maskandi artists. I think it's branding with legs. When it's
biased.
It lags some artists on Maskandi, they lack branding because they have that fall off, I'm told. But me now on my chat, I can say my artists like in compound they are dying each and every week.
Yeah.
Do you think about reckless?
Yeah, I think they
on the road.
I think they're reckless because of alcohol and all these things.
Up because it seems like now life.
You know why their life is that up? Because if there's one thing that I appreciate Limpopo, people in Limpopo, they support their own. It's like Limpopo country. Like when they book artists, they make sure they book their own artists. Like there's an artist by the name of Mizo Phil. That guy, you'll never see him
outside
Ganingi or in, but he's booked that side. He's fully booked that side. That's why my artist Mawai Limpopo is like an achievement because like they are hardly booked there in Limpopo. Limpopo, they support their own. That's why I told them artists Limpopo, they make money, they get booked in.
But they have but they are reckless when it comes to never show every week.
Maybe
feel some type of way with the artist.
And speaking of events, I would like to, obviously they would say I'm biased, I would like to give a shout out to Ikota Festival.
Consistency, Jam. Consistency.
That festival is unmatched. That festival is being slept on, bro. You all should open your eyes and see the work that's being done. Bro, touching on provinces, each province, bro. And it's sold out.
Every month.
And it's sold out. And one thing that I appreciate about the team, they acknowledge content creators. They acknowledge like everything that has to do with entertainment
Media,
space. Bro, to get the media access is not hard.
It's not hard
Like they
to
believe in young creatives.
You got a first.
But then, if Ikota First was owned by umuntu omlungu, it was going to be all over media platforms but because the guy that's behind Ikota Festival umuntu omnyama, that's why it's being slept on. That those guys are on a generational run, bro. Like, let's open our eyes, bro. When has it been done?
Ikota First angeke lekha something.
Boy, it doesn't
because they always have a theme. Last time it was the hip hop theme.
Leya sedeben bekuyibhinca new age bhinca. Bro, by Free State, by kuphi like all these provinces, bro. Name an event that has, bro, even Abo Rocking the Daisies, they are not doing that type of events. Even Abo Hey Neighbor. Yeah, so let's acknowledge
by cancelling
but remember Uchi Cotton Fest was based on Johannesburg. They tried to go to Cape Town, they tried to go to Durban, they never continued in Ecosi States. So I'm saying ecosystems Ekota Festival, it has not been done. But let's support our own.
I think they will crash it down. They will try to sabotage it.
I think they're doing it right now because you don't see it in media platforms. You don't see media reporting about the Ikota Festival. That's why you think Uchi is just an event in J. You won't see a blog. It posts on Ikota Festival.
Because it's only on their pages. Natama content
creators.
We're the one who are pushing.
Thank you. These guys are flying about LP, go to Durban, to Gupi. Prince Shadow. Still an upcoming to people's eyes. But they invested on Prince Shadow. And their lineup, they make sure to line up yabo abantu abafanayo. Labo baba isa kuma. Bro, it's crazy. So yeah, shout out to Ikota Festival. The work is
too much.
And also they're creating jobs. Let's also speak on good. They are creating job opportunities.
But
food vendors.
The government will sabotage this event.
Yeah.
Will sabotage. If I sabotage with text, through text, or I'm an artist, sometimes I think they won't go there.
Yeah.
But I like the fact that they use the same artist.
Same artist in all provinces. They fly you, my brother. How much money are those artists getting? We're going to Durban, let's go together. So they also have one in Lesotho, by the way. I don't know. Yeah, they did it last year. They're doing it again, this Ikota Festival Lesotho. Shout out to them. Because cool because of Amategit, but they know we
love them.
We're the family.
We are family.
Yeah.
And I'm a content creator. Who's your favorite content creator?
My favorite content creator right now. Top 5. Yo, content creators. Top 5. Yo.
Top 5. I'll say my top 5.
I think Thuli Mandlana. Am I getting it right? Yeah. What I like about her is that
she's bold.
She's being herself.
She's bold.
She's bold. Like she's being herself, and she's actually a nice person.
Like you know, interacting.
Yeah, I once interviewed her. Yo, bro, it's like
it's like, and she's very creative. That one, she directs her own skits.
And so also who favorite content creators, bro.
Content creator.
Yo.
2026.
And I know I'm going to regret this because after we're done shooting this, Kanang Zokumbula, but Thuli for now. Shout out to him.
El Pigo.
Shout out El Pigo.
Shout out El Pigo. Sis Maria. Ntato. Maria.
She's still doing it. She's still doing it.
Oh, yeah, push Alejalia. Ntato. Who else? El Pigo. El Pigo is my number 1. Ntato. Bruce, yeah. Bruce number 3. Who else? Lee, when it's come to being an executive.
Yeah.
Behind the scenes. Yeah. Shit, yeah. Lee from CMTV.
Yeah.
Yeah. And who else? Number 5. I think he'll take us. Banu Sandile, say it. Say.
Oh, okay,
Sandile.
fire.
Sandile, top 5.
Bro, I think let's give Usa Sandiso. Let's give Sandiso
These flowers, mfana.
in 21 March
2025,
2026. Let's give Usandiso 2 years. Yo, he'll be gone.
Gone.
He's already
He's already
gone now.
gone,
But I'm just saying, after 2 years, he would be working with major brands. He will be collaborating with big
I
content
think what's
creators.
stopping him, he vulgar and all. He can this year. He can work with bigger brands, but I think he use too much explicit.
And also, what's stopping content creators once they get the motion, they think all they need is their phone and shooting. Once you get to that level, you just need a team.
Team, Baba.
Because when you focus on this thing, then the team will be guma boardrooms, bro. Because I believe also that's what's missing Sandy, so more than anything else. No one is putting him on the mainstream level. And now he thinks getting the numbers with his phone and saying whatever he says it's good. He doesn't need a team. But for you to ube ne deal ne Vaseline, ama company they would know you, but they won't approach you
because they want someone who's
so you must you must have that one person that's going to be knocking at doors and saying, put it on. We have this thing.
Sometimes you can create
the numbers are numbering also.
Sometimes you can create those opportunities by yourself. Tata something, act like you are advertising it. Pro bono.
Then but also, you know what I hate with those ones? They won't give you the full amount. Because they will treat you as an, it's like now I'm doing a video, maybe Kasi Tales. Already saying it's without their behalf. They won't take me serious as much as umuntu bam approach. It's like what we always say, I'm an artist. This is me. They will treat you as okay. They won't treat you the same as okay, it's worth it.
Yeah, I get what you are saying. But let's say on my chat is, let's say no Sandy, so what he's doing, example. I'm not saying I'm a brand or anything. Let's say Galaxy Boy, young Tom. Let's say he's rocking that Galaxy Boy. Told when I'm a skit or whatever. Then